down on AT and actually find a unit that's with us. Sometimes we're all alone. Sometimes it's nice to have guys like you. So as we bunk together, we're inside these barracks together, we're all one big team. And I want you to know that we're here for you, to support you and what you do. And I hope you enjoy this afternoon's concert. And like I said, it's a little bit of a flavor of what we do compared to the larger group. But I just wanted to give you kind of a little chance to see that being part of the Army is also kind of cool. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is kind of it's our closer. We use it as it's a way to kind of show off a little bit of artistic talent with William Tell Overture and a little bit of classicalness, and I think you might enjoy it. It kind of shows off all these instruments. So again, thank you for this afternoon, and we'll go ahead and do William Tell.
On behalf of the Connecticut National Guard Band, thanks for coming to Connecticut. See you guys next year.
Thank you very much.